Here's how you can kill head lice fast using one ingredient. When you see someone scratching their head, there tends to be a working reason behind it, and the solution can be far from easy. For example, lice cause an itchy scalp and are very hard to get rid of. You can ask any child and they will probably say they have had a friend who had lice, or even had lice themselves. That's because it's very contagious. All you have to do is come in contact with a person or an object that contains lice. The worst part is that people don't always know that they have lice, and by the time they realize, they've already given it to someone else. Lice don't know how to fly, so when they come in contact with strands of hairs, they cling to them with their claws and lay their eggs there. Although the transmission of lice occurs more often in the winter, they breed more easily in the summer. The louse lives 30 days on average and lays about 10 eggs per day. During the time, they often feed on their host several times a day, causing the itchiness and general discomfort. There are many solutions that can help you stop lice and get rid of nits, ranging from shampoos to medicines. We're going to teach you a trick to stop lice that uses an unexpected ingredient, mouthwash. It may seem strange, but lice really detest mouthwash. You'll also need a lice comb, white vinegar, a plastic bag or shower cap, a towel. Start by wetting the hair with mouthwash and covering it with a shower cap or a plastic bag. Let it sit for about an hour. Then, wash your hair to remove the mouthwash. Next, douse your hair with vinegar. Let the vinegar sit for an hour and cover your hair again. Finally, wash your hair with your regular shampoo and comb the lice comb. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.